Most people think you need to save thousands of dollars before you start traveling. I disagree with that. What you need is a way to make money while you travel. You see, I was inspired to make this video because I had a conversation with someone here in Georgia not so long ago. And upon him finding out or learning that I travel the world and I go pretty much to any place that I want to go, he told me that he needs to save money because he wants to do the same thing. And you see, he's not the first person that I met that told me this. Now, I have three problems with the save first mentality. First of all, savings run out. Secondly, you'll feel a lot of anxiety and stress when you watch your bank account, check your bank account, and see the money disappear. And thirdly, it always makes people want to wait for that right time, which for many people actually never comes. Okay? So an example is you work for a year, you save some money, then you go travel somewhere, South America, Southeast Asia, you travel for 3 months, and then you go back home broke to the same job or to get another job. So instead of asking yourself, how much do I need to save? Ask yourself, what can I do to actually make money while I travel? And I'm glancing over at my laptop because I have some notes and I don't want to miss them. So yeah, this basically unlocks continuous travel opportunities or continuous traveling, not just a one-off trip, all right? And the thing is, you can work your location free basically as long as you have a Wi-Fi, or you don't even need a Wi-Fi as long as you have mobile data. And there are three main categories how you can make money online. So first of all is to have a remote job. That can be customer support, it can be software development, project management, and many other. This is good for people who want stability and structure. Second one is freelancing, and this is what I do. I'm a copywriter and I also run Facebook and Instagram ads for businesses, and that's how I get paid. And the advantage with this one is that you basically there are many advantages. You basically can choose the clients you work with. The amount of money you can make is basically uncapped. It's not easy, but it's uncapped, right? And the most important one, at least for me, is the fact that I can have my own schedule. Like, I don't have a 9 to 5. I can have my own schedule, work whenever I want, as long as I get the job done. And again, there are many skills that can offer you this. It's copywriting, Facebook and Instagram ads, it's coding, video editing, tutoring. There's many jobs, or not jobs, there's many skills that you can develop in order to become a freelancer. And the third one is having an online business, all right? Now, this is anything from having a YouTube channel, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and so on. However, this one I think is a whole lot harder than the other ones, but it also has the potential of creating the almighty passive income. Now you may think, but I don't have the skills. Well, you live in 2025. You can learn pretty much anything online, right? You can even learn things for free, like from this YouTube video. I hope I'm providing value to you and you're learning something for free. However, there are so many people offering courses, coaching programs, and whatnot, people from which you can learn. As a matter of fact, I offer a coaching program where I'm teaching people how to make money online based on what I know, based on how I do it. But you don't need to buy anything from me. There are so many other people that you can buy from and you can learn. And as I said, some of the things you can even learn for free. So that's not an excuse. Now, you may think you need money to start. Again, we are not in 1950s when you would need some capital beforehand to start a business, right? The only thing you would need is a laptop and investing a little bit in yourself, which, yes, it might cost money. It might run you $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, but imagine how much it will cost you to go to university if you're from US, right? And go in debt for $100,000, and then you still don't have a job because you might not have a skill. So the third one is, yeah, it takes time. It takes time. I heard this so many times, but so does saving money. So does saving money, to be honest. And it does take time to build a skill, but it's better to spend that time building a skill than just saving money and waiting to have, I don't know, $5,000, $10,000 and then travel. So why is this actually better than saving? Well, it is because it is sustainable. The income replenishes itself, unlike savings. It is also giving you freedom, so there is no pressure for you to actually count every single penny. And growth, actually financial growth. To be quite honest with you, you can increase your income while you travel. Like, this is what I did with the YouTube channel. I did not have this YouTube channel before I started traveling. I mean, I did travel before, but not like this. And I did make money from the YouTube channel. So you can do it like this, or you can just, get more clients. If you already have a skill, get more clients and make money like that. The thing is, you can continuously grow while you travel, or just stop at a certain point. But at the same time, another thing which you can do is to actually save money. And I think this is very, very important. You save money, and you don't save it to necessarily spend it, or you don't necessarily save it to buy something. You save it so you can invest it, right? So you can get the passive income later on in life. So see, guys, this is what I do. This is, I've met a lot of travelers, not a lot, but I've met a few travelers who actually do the same thing. But on the opposite side, the most travelers that I met, they actually are just saving, or they took a gap year or something like that. The thing is, if you manage to make money while you travel, you also feel like you're being productive, right? Now, don't get me wrong, traveling is nice and all that, and seeing new places is gonna build you as a person, and how do you say that? You are broadening your horizons, right? Just by the fact that you travel and meet people and see new places. However, at least me, I would not feel that productive. If I am working while I travel, I feel like I'm also being productive. So I'm at peace with myself. So, at the end of this video, I want to tell you, don't wait to save enough money to start traveling. Start building a skill that will let you travel and make money at the same time. Life is actually much more than just living in a cubicle, or just slaving away for a couple of months of pleasure, for the pleasure of traveling, a couple of months per year. Traveling with an income is freedom. Traveling on savings is a countdown. Now, I strongly encourage you to start developing a skill, or if you have a skill that can actually allow you to work remotely, then start applying for jobs. There are so many platforms. Now, if you want me to personally help you with this, then send me an email and let's take it from there. You'll find my email in the video description down below. And that's it from me. I hope this video inspired you, and actually inspired you to do something about your dream right away. See you in the next video.